Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap here to the sound and vibration. After that we'll see here ring and notifications volume panel. Just to mute notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot. But by this way we'll just mute not only notifications but also the ringtones, and if you want to stay with the ringtones and just to mute notifications we should unmute this volume panel. Go scroll down to default notification sound and switch your currently sound to my sound here and select none. Then tap here to save, and by this way we can mute notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.